Hello kids, let's learn shapes and colors name. Yellow color, green color, red color, violet color, white color, light pink color, pink color, light green color, black color, brown color, sky blue color, blue color, orange color. Let's draw shapes. Triangle, square, circle, hexagon, heart, oval, diamond, pentagon. Let's fill the colors. For triangle, we are using orange color. Triangle. For square, we are using green color. Square. For circle, we are using pink color. For hexagon, we are using light green color. For heart, we are using violet color. For oval, we are using blue color. For diamond, we are using red color. For pentagon, we are using brown color. Let's revise. Triangle, square, circle, hexagon, heart, oval, diamond, pentagon.